For fans of the Orlando Magic, they can see, I think, the best expression of technology in the NBA. That is the center hung scoreboard, the 6mm scoreboard that in the case of the Orlando Magic is 25% bigger than any other arena, is key to a fan's enjoyment, live enjoyment of the game. We have brought in a graphics team that's actually learned a lot from the Orlando Magic, and we're going to take advantage of their big moment, i.e. when they convert the entire in-arena bowl into a single video image. And it's really overwhelming and really cool because they do it on the stack, right? And then they do it on the fascia and everywhere. And they have another thing called moment of exclusivity, where they can take a sponsor or a message or a video and actually put it in the entire arena on everything all at once. And it's really impactful, and it kind of unifies everybody and bonds everybody together, and then boom, you know, they continue, and there's different experiences delivered in different places. There's no question that the Amway Center, that they thought through very carefully all of the experiences related to a fan's arrival at the arena, to their progress through the concourse, to their entrance into the bowl, from a media, audio, video standard. At the NBA, we're studying player tracking now. So we've had a great, terrific stat system. The NBA stat system actually debuted in 1996. It was the first stat system to keep up with the action on the court, that actually allowed for display of live real-time stats on the internet. I mean, it still does so. So that kind of defined the NBA as a digital sport, as a digital property. We're looking at the next step, which is motion capture, player tracking, thinking about how on an automated basis we can collect a richer data set and deliver it to the fans. What happens is cameras, 6 different cameras, track players as objects on the court, and they're all confirming, you know, that object, right? Every 25th of a second as it moves remains that object. So you have to tag it, you have to tell it what it is, right? You have to say, you know, that's Dwight Howard. And as Dwight moves, right, it confirms his movements all over the court. There's also some some optical character recognition there too. So some OCR, it can recognize jersey numbers, can also recognize colors to help you sort out the 2 different teams. An NBA fan will always gravitate to an HD monitor whenever it's available, because it is absolutely the best viewing experience. However, this experience that you get on a tablet now, especially the work that's being done by the NBA TV, you know, folks down in Atlanta, NBA Digital, that picture is remarkable. They're streaming up to and beyond 3 megabit. It's a gorgeous experience on a tablet, and if you haven't tried it, you have to try it for the outer market package for League Pass. So if you hold that tablet in that aspect ratio with that kind of quality, it's damn close, you know, very close to being as good as that HD experience that you're having on your screen. So you know, and that's, so I think that's important. I think also the iPhone experience for somebody that's disconnected, right? They can't get to their tablet, can't get to their monitor. Having an iPhone and having the ability to go to an iPhone and remain connected to the, you know, Orlando Magic, it's a great option. The NBA has a unique organization. It's called Team Business Operations, and sometimes referred to as the acronym of TEAMBO, right? So we have 30 teams that compete on the field of play. But in terms of business, fan experience, you know, production values in-house, lighting, video production, they're not competing. We actually have them actively sharing. So I have 30 teams funneling up great ideas that then we share back out to 30 teams, right? So that's really kind of the NBA secret sauce, that the commissioner of the NBA, David Stern, has got us all in a cooperative, working together to share ideas. So they're really my R&D factory. You know, I can go visit teams, I can visit the Orlando Magic, we get great ideas.